best luxury midsize car for 2025 to 2024 Volvo S90. The 2024 Volvo S90 has been named the best luxury midsize car for 2025, capturing attention with its blend of Scandinavian elegance, cutting-edge technology, and impressive safety features. Renowned for its luxurious interior and innovative approach to comfort and safety, the S90 continues to set a high bar in the midsize luxury sedan segment. Elegant design and premium comfort. The 2024 S90 showcases Volvo's hallmark Scandinavian design, featuring clean lines, a sleek profile, and an understated yet sophisticated front grille. Inside, the S90 offers an opulent environment with premium materials such as soft leather upholstery, genuine wood accents, and meticulously crafted details. The spacious cabin provides exceptional comfort, with available ventilated and massaging front seats. The 9-inch Sensus infotainment system, integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensures seamless connectivity and user-friendly interaction. Refined performance and efficiency. The 2024 Volvo S90 is powered by a choice of two engines designed to balance performance and efficiency. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 250 horsepower, while the T6 and T8 trims offer a more powerful twin-charged version with up to 400 horsepower. The T8 plug-in hybrid variant combines performance with eco-friendly benefits, providing an impressive electric-only range. All engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and responsive acceleration. Advanced safety and technology. Safety is a cornerstone of the 2024 S90, which comes equipped with Volvo's Pilot Assist system, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The S90 also includes a comprehensive suite of safety features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. Additionally, the car offers advanced driver assistance technologies and an optional head-up display for enhanced convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Volvo S90 stands out as the best luxury midsize car for 2025 due to its elegant design, refined performance, and advanced safety features. Its blend of luxury, technology, and safety makes it a top choice for discerning drivers seeking a sophisticated and comfortable driving experience.